10 characteristics of God's election. Now, before I tell you the 10, let me quickly tell you 6 elects we have in the Bible. Number 1 is Christ. Christ is the elect of God as the Messiah. Isaiah 42, verse 1. Number 2, holy angels. They are God's elect according to 1 Timothy 5:21. Then number 3, the nation, Israel, is also God's elect according to Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 6 and Isaiah 45, verse 4. Number 4, the church, 1 Peter 5:13. The church, that is all the born agains. Then number 5, God's servant, all Christian ministers. They are God's elect according to Jeremiah chapter 1, verses 4 and 5. Then lastly, on the elect, all Christians. Every Christian is an elect of God. Now, 10 characteristics. Number 1, God's election is eternal. Number 2, it is personal. Number 3, it is sovereign. Number 4, it is unmerited. Nobody deserves to be elect. Then number 5, it is God's foreknowledge. Number 6, it is of grace. Number 7, it is through faith. We come to the experience of being elect of God through the faith of the gospel. And number 8, the elect have their names recorded in the book of life. Jesus told his disciples in Luke 10:20, rejoice that your names are recorded in heaven. Then number 9, it is knowable. I can know it if I'm God's elect. You can also know it. And lastly, it is of high esteem. You and I should follow God's election of us as his children and as his servant. I want again to encourage you to register. Join the saints of God in an intensive training that's coming up in August 9 to 16. Please click the link below for details of that meeting. God bless you.